Right, well there's a little bit of an update on my new garage as promised. It's not gone as quick as we thought it would, but that's not for the fault of the lads doing the building work. They have had some problems, but we've got a big pile of dirt and we've got some substantial footings dug out. Obviously we've had to destroy the yard, but that eyesore of the garage that was there before is now gone. It's going to be replaced by something a bit bigger here, and maybe a bit of a carport there or something. I've got an idea I might get a Yank car, so that can live there maybe. But for now, it's going on. We should have concrete getting poured in this hole tomorrow or the day after, which means my job now is to get that big pile of dirt there and send it about 100 foot down the road there into the street. Don't know how long it's going to take, because a two-man job or four-man job quickly becomes a one-man job when you're on your own. So I'll just get me spade and get stuck in. Cheers. Well, as you can see there, my pile of dirt is gone, and we've got a good area there to put a carport. Motorbike there gives you an idea of the size. But yeah, it took a little bit longer to get rid of than I thought, because apparently I didn't have any help. So I ended up paying for the digger instead, and that got the rest of it out the way, but we used it for other stuff as well. So Rob and Peter paying Paul all that. Yeah, I hope anyone doesn't want any work done on bikes, because I won't be doing it. But there we go. We have, though, moving forward, got concrete in the trench, so that means that bricks will be going in within the next probably 3 or 4 days. Got the lads lined up. Just got to go and earn a few quid so that I can pay them next week. But yeah, well happy moving forward. I think maybe we might have reached the halfway mark, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens anyway, but for now, that's the update. Cheers.